Hello, everybody. Welcome to economics course. And looking at the roster, there's not a lot of you in this course, but all of you have been in the courses with me in the past, so you know how to do these videos and usually give you some information that might help, including scenery. Just so I don't know where this is from, but found that was pretty good. I also mentioned inspiration stuff or things keep you motivated, and if you've been watching my videos in the past, I harp about I harp, which means I say the same thing over and over about making school part of everyday life, or as this particular pick we got here, it's a lifestyle. You know, and you know, just training like there's no finish line, as it says. You need to make it a lifestyle, just part of what you do. And it's also got to do again running. The finish line on marathon's 26, and you're in the final leg here of your program. You're in a year or so, within finishing. So again, people train for marathons. They train for that 26 miles, but they put in hundreds of miles and actually probably thousands of miles. So same with you. You have to do a lot of courses, a lot of time. You can equate this to hours. The type of hours you have to put in to get to where you're going. So just stay focused. Try to remember why you're doing this and get through it. So okay, so we're into our new course here, another economics course. And one of the things I want to point out is down here on the left. I just found this the other day, but this has been updated recently. Library resources, so it has everything in here on various resources that are available for you for research. It also has a reference here to the APA style writing. Being where you're at now, you've been a couple years into the program, you should be familiar with APA writing style. If you have questions, or you got two sites here you can look at. The OWL is a very good site for looking at the researching how to write an APA format and everything. So I just wanted to point that out to you. And let me see here. All right. Get into modules. Again, textbook right there, where you click here to open your textbook. So that's how you get there. And then the weeks are set up the same. You got to-do, presentation, discussion, homework, quizzes, okay, and participation. One of the things I want to make sure that you do in the welcome, I'm going to send you a welcome letter, and I'm going to send an attachment. That is, it's called a grading rubrics. Okay, starting this term, discussions are going to be graded a little different. There's actually going to be a breakdown on the different parts of the discussion and how you get awarded points here. So here's how it's pretty much broken down. You get 30 points. It's broken into 3 sections in each part of it. So like on this one here, it says needs improvement, so you get 4 points if you do something like use the term, hey, I like what you did, or I like what you said, good idea, things like that. That's not a participation, that's just an agreeing thing. So that's when you look in here, that's what that all means. So as we go through the weeks, this will get explained to you. This will be available to you in your feedback, so you'll see that in the feedback. So I just want to make sure, that's the reason I just want to make sure you read this before you start doing your first post or anything, so that you understand that. Same thing with homeworks. Homeworks, I'm pretty flexible. If you're doing real bad, I'll send it back to you, but if they're late, there is a point deduction for that. So, and that's also in the letter I'm sending you. So just want to, those are some admin things I just want to cover with you here. As for the upcoming week, we got chapters 1 through 3, economics. So again, just make sure I like slides and go through here, and it gives you all the breakdown, definitions and concepts and ideas and stuff like that, and how it all interrelates. All 3 chapters. Supply and demand, you've already seen this. If you've done the other economic course already, you've seen this. Same thing in some of the marketing classes. And also on the chapter 3, I think, has consumer behavior. And this is actually, there's actually a marketing course, you may or may not have already taken it, on the consumer behavior. So how everything interreacts or interrelates and so forth. So, all right. Homeworks, again, you'll have specific questions in there. So that's where you get those. And quizzes, usually 10 or 20 questions. And that should do it for. So here, I'm trying to keep this short for this week, and that should do it. So as always, if you got any questions or anything, get in touch with me. You can text me, call me, or use the inbox here, and I'm pretty much 7 days a week, so I'll get back to you pretty quick. And the only other thing here is my test question. And those of you that have been watching the videos on regular, I have grandkids, and have a new one back in December, so I do the test question. Reply to this and let me know what's going on there. So, all right, with that, I'll let you go. Have a great week, and got any questions, get in touch, and talk to you during the week here. Take care.